If you're extending any part of your house or converting a room or adding any new radiators or an underfloor heating system to an existing system, then as part of that, what you'll need to do is actually a flush. Those radiators or that new system will have fluxes from the installation or some greases from the manufacturer of them, which in the end will actually cause problems later down the line. So we want to do a clean flush through that system. Then we need to fill the system up with brand new fresh water, and then what we need to do then is inhibit it so that it doesn't corrode. So we are looking after the health of that system for those new products that you fitted. Now a professional should do this for you for the whole process. So you can find our professionals on our website as well as some other little hints and tips as well.